Imagine looking up at the night sky, a canvas of twinkling stars. Suddenly, a streak of fire blazes across the darkness. This isn't a shooting star, but a man-made object plummeting back to Earth. Starlink satellites, designed to provide internet connectivity, have been making these fiery descents with increasing frequency. This raises concerns about the future of space exploration and our reliance on technology. In a world increasingly reliant on instant communication, internet access is vital. Starlink, a constellation of thousands of satellites, promised to bridge the digital divide. This network in the sky aimed to provide high-speed internet to even the most remote corners of our planet. However, the recent incidents of these satellites falling from orbit raise questions about the vulnerability of our digital lifeline. Satellites don't fall out of the sky for no reason. They operate within a delicate balance of forces. Earth's gravity constantly pulls on them, while their speed keeps them in orbit. Sometimes this balance is disrupted. Collisions with space debris, solar storms, or even technical malfunctions can cause satellites to lose altitude and succumb to Earth's gravitational pull. Space is becoming more crowded. Thousands of satellites, both operational and defunct, orbit our planet. This creates a hazardous environment. When satellites collide, they create a cascade of debris. This debris poses a threat to other satellites, including the International Space Station and even future space missions. Section 5. A global footprint. The worldwide impact of falling satellites. Satellites, once marvels of human ingenuity, now pose a significant threat as they fall back to Earth. This chapter delves into the multifaceted consequences of these falling satellites, which extend far beyond the realm of space. The consequences of falling satellites extend far beyond the realm of space. When satellites fall, they don't just disappear, they break apart and scatter debris across vast areas. This debris can travel at high speeds, making it a potential hazard for anything in its path. They pose a risk to air travel as debris can potentially damage aircraft. Imagine a piece of satellite debris colliding with an airplane mid-flight. The results could be catastrophic, leading to potential loss of life and significant damage to the aircraft. This risk necessitates constant monitoring and tracking of falling satellites to ensure the safety of air travel. There are also concerns about the environmental impact. When satellites re-enter the Earth's atmosphere, they can release harmful substances. These substances can contribute to air and water pollution, affecting both terrestrial and marine ecosystems. The long-term environmental consequences are still being studied, but the potential for harm is significant. Satellites are constructed from materials that may not be environmentally friendly. Many satellites contain metals and other materials that, when burned up during re-entry, can release toxic compounds. These compounds can then settle in the environment, posing risks to wildlife and human health. Their uncontrolled re-entry into the atmosphere could release harmful substances into our environment. The burning of satellite materials during re-entry can lead to the release of pollutants that contribute to atmospheric contamination. This contamination can have far-reaching effects, impacting air quality and contributing to climate change. The issue of falling satellites is a global one, requiring international cooperation and innovative solutions to mitigate the risks and protect our planet. Section 6. Trust in technology. When innovation meets uncertainty. The sight of satellites falling from the sky can be unsettling. It raises questions about the reliability and safety of our technological advancements. When we place our trust in technology, we expect it to work as intended. These incidents highlight the fact that even the most sophisticated systems can fail, and the consequences can be significant. Section 7. Shaping the narrative. The media's role in the Starlink saga. The media plays a crucial role in shaping public perception of events like falling satellites. Sensationalized headlines can create fear and distrust, while responsible reporting can provide context and understanding. It's important for the media to present a balanced view, highlighting both the benefits and risks associated with space exploration and technological innovation. Section 8. The need for oversight, balancing innovation with regulation. As we venture further into the cosmos, the need for responsible regulation becomes increasingly apparent. Clear guidelines and international cooperation are essential to ensure the safety and sustainability of space activities. Striking a balance between fostering innovation and mitigating risks is crucial for the future of space exploration. Section 9. The future of space. Navigating the challenges of a crowded sky. As humanity's ambitions reach beyond our planet, the sky above us becomes increasingly crowded. The dream of exploring and utilizing space is a powerful one, driving innovation and inspiring generations. The dream of exploring and utilizing space is a powerful one. From the early days of space exploration, when the first satellites were launched, to the present day, where we see a multitude of missions aiming to uncover the mysteries of the universe, our fascination with space has only grown. Each launch represents a step forward in our quest to understand the cosmos and harness its potential. However, the recent incidents of falling satellites serve as a stark reminder of the challenges we face. These events highlight the risks associated with our increasing presence in space. As more satellites and spacecraft are launched, the likelihood of collisions and the creation of space debris also rises. This debris poses a significant threat not only to current missions, but also to future explorations. As we continue to launch more objects into orbit, we must prioritize sustainability and safety. The crowded skies require us to rethink our approach to space exploration. It's not just about sending more objects into space, but about doing so responsibly. This means designing satellites that can be safely deorbited at the end of their life cycles and developing protocols to avoid collisions. This includes developing technologies and strategies to mitigate space debris. Innovative solutions, such as robotic arms for debris removal and advanced tracking systems, are being explored to address this growing problem. By investing in these technologies, we can reduce the risk of accidents and ensure that space remains a viable environment for exploration and utilization, and ensure the responsible use of space for generations to come. International cooperation and governance are also crucial. By working together, nations can establish guidelines and regulations that promote the sustainable use of space. This collaborative approach will help us navigate the challenges of a crowded sky and pave the way for a future where space exploration can thrive without compromising safety and sustainability. Section 10. A shared responsibility, from SpaceX to global citizens. The responsibility for ensuring the safety and sustainability of space activities doesn't rest solely on the shoulders of companies like SpaceX. It's a global issue that requires international cooperation and a collective sense of responsibility. From policymakers to scientists to everyday citizens, we all have a role to play in shaping the future of space exploration. Section 11. Finding harmony, balancing progress with preservation. The pursuit of technological advancement should not come at the cost of our planet or our future. As we innovate and push the boundaries of what is possible, we must remain acutely aware of the impact our actions have on the environment. The delicate balance between progress and preservation is not just a lofty ideal, but a necessity for the survival of our planet and the well-being of future generations. As we reach for the stars, we must do so with a sense of responsibility and a commitment to preserving the beauty and wonder of our cosmos. Our advancements in space exploration and technology should inspire us to take better care of our home planet. The awe-inspiring views of Earth from space serve as a powerful reminder of the fragility and interconnectedness of all life on our planet. Finding harmony between progress and preservation is the key to ensuring a bright future for humanity both on Earth and beyond. This harmony can be achieved through sustainable practices, innovative solutions, and a collective effort to prioritize the health of our environment. By investing in clean energy, protecting natural habitats, and promoting responsible consumption, we can pave the way for a future where technological advancements and environmental stewardship go hand in hand. It is our shared responsibility to create a world where progress does not come at the expense of the planet, but rather enhances and enriches it for generations